Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can easily extend the C drive in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with opening the File Explorer first. So let me just make a quick tap on the File Explorer here in the taskbar, and then we will go with the This PC option. So as you can see, once you click on this PC, we have the devices and drives. So you will be seeing here my C drive, which is my main drive, and the D volume or the D drive here. So my D drive contains almost 10 gigabytes, and my local disk C or C drive has 314 gigabytes free space. So here, if you want, or if your main drive is almost full and then you want your other drives to be extended, or you want to extend this one and get some space from your other drive there, then this video is for you. Please do finish watching it till the end. So the first thing we need to do is to open the disk management. So please make sure first that your important files in the drive that you want to extend with is transported or copied in your hard drive, so that you won't be missing it because we will be formatting the file. So just close this window, and then here all you need to do is just to go to your Windows search tab there, disk, and you will get the create and format disk partitions under settings. So please make a click on that, and then you will be brought to the disk management window. Let me just maximize this one. So here we have the C drive and the D drive. So all you need to do is just to make a click on this one on your D drive, and then here we need to click on this delete volume. Once you do that, it will erase all data on it. So back up any data you want to keep before deleting. And if you want to continue now, if you have already done the backup, then you can now click on yes. And this volume here, or this drive, will become unallocated. Now, once it says unallocated, then we can now proceed with your C drive, and then make a right click on that, and then click on the extend volume there, and then just click on next. And then here, all you need to do is just to click on next again, and then click on next or finish, and then you have already added the unallocated file size or drive here to your local disk C. And then we will check that by going to the File Explorer. So please open again your File Explorer. We will proceed with this PC. As you can see here, we have now 323 gigabytes of free space in your C drive. Okay, so once you're done with this one, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.